Kimi K2 got a lot of buzz a few months ago, and now they've dropped Kimi K2.5, which competes heavily against closed weight models. It's actually completely open, completely free, and in visuals, it's really, really good. And I introduced something called Coding Swarm, and it's a pretty cool video. I think you get the picture. I recommend Ollama if you want to run local models, purely because of this little bad boy here. So you can pull down models locally and use them completely offline. But in the instance of Kimi K2.5 here, it's a cloud version that we can use ourselves. So what I was going to do a live crazy thing, and actually let's see if we can put Kimi K2.5 to work. So Ollama, a pull, Kimi K2.5 cloud. I've already done this, so you're just going to see it go nuts. I've also added it to Claude Code Router. Basically, Claude Code Router is a wrapper. Now, there are certain models that are more, let's say, more tuned for Claude Code. But I've got a Claude Code crash course on my Patreon, and this is a code base that we're working in. So why don't we say, I'm going to use my voice right now, create a plain HTML page for a landing page for this Claude Code crash course, explaining the different modules of Claude Code, learning Claude Code, and that it costs $700 million. Be creative, use WebGL, have some fun, go nuts, but be polite. You've always got to be polite. Yeah? We haven't tried this, by the way. We haven't tried this. So Claude Code Router should be wrapping this. It should intercept what we've, sent it. And I'm guessing it's used. This is free on Ollama, by the way. You have to pay for this.
Is it free for how long, you said?
No, it's just free.
Forever?
Yeah. I mean, the local models are absolutely free, obviously, because you're running.
Yeah.
So I do wonder where they're getting their money from. Maybe they're paying because they've got brand awareness. Maybe they're paying, Kimi K2 are paying to be on there or something like that, or they get a discount. Right. Let's see what it says at the top here. I thought I was just going to go ahead and build it, to be honest, but...
Okay, so you're creating that landing page. While you do that, I'm gonna dare to share my screen. I just want to say if you have seen this video.
Okay, go for it.
I don't know if you have watched it. So it seems like with Kimi K2, they gave it a reference. It's a video of, I don't know if it's a landing page or a mock-up. Whatever it is a video. And here we see the output. It's not exactly that, but it's
crazy.
Close.
So it's a website based on the video.
Yes. This is like an interactive final website that you can scroll through based on the video.
That's cool. That's one of the visual capabilities of Kimi K2.5, I think.
What is quite, I don't know how it did it. How did it create the airplane image? I mean, with the text and the layout, you kind of could understand, but yeah, it's really impressive how it does so much of this. But the more you look into it, the less finished it is. It feels like, oh, okay, it requires quite a lot more to get it to the point you can ship it, but this is the thing, it's getting so damn close.
Yeah, my Kimi K2 is working away here, so it's not the fastest, let's be honest.
Yeah.
Which is why I thought we were using it before. I got to double check my Claude Code Router usage, because I would like to figure that bad boy out. There we go, there it is. So now I could just drag that into...
Holy shit, this is ugly.
Oh baby.
Oh my god. It's so busy. You said go crazy. You said go nuts.
So this is Kimi K2 in action, boys and girls.
Oh
I
my
did
God.
say go nuts. This looks like straight out of the late 90s.
Oh my God.
By the way, look at the background.
Yeah, it is moving to your mouth.
It's
We
even
said
got crosshair
WebGL,
marks.
go nuts.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Kimi K2. Learn to wield the 700 million AI. I don't think it's quite understood that I'm launching a Claude Code crash course, to be honest. Prompt engineering, wizardry.
Yeah.
Oh, this took ages to load in. Like, this was like, why is that? Oh, maybe I was looking at that and this is always working. Anyway,
Yeah.
Kimi K2 gets probably about a 6.5 wombats out of a total 8 wombats from me. Did all right. Let's enroll. It actually goes through to my Patreon. That's good, isn't it? Amazing.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.